What is the name of the world's longest mountain? Mauna Kea. It is the highest point on Hawaii Island. This dormant volcano has an elevation of 4,206 meters above sea level, but its total height from its base on the ocean floor to its summit is 10,200 meters, making it 1,352 meters taller than Mount Everest. When it comes to mountains, by current convention, the term highest refers to the measurement from sea level to the summit, while longest refers to the measurement from the mountain's base to its peak. Thus, while Mount Everest, at 8,848 meters, is the highest mountain in the world, it is not the longest. Measuring mountains is more complicated than it seems. While it is relatively easy to identify the summit of a mountain, determining where the base of a mountain lies is not as straightforward. For example, some argue that Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, 5,895 meters, is longer than Everest because Kilimanjaro rises directly from the African plains, whereas Everest is just one of many peaks that sit atop the massive base of the Himalayas, which also supports the next 13 tallest mountains in the world. Others claim the most logical measurement should be the distance from a mountain summit to the Earth's center. Since the Earth is not a perfect sphere, but rather an oblate shape, the distance from the equator to the Earth's center is about 21 kilometers greater than the distance from the poles to the Earth's center. This is good news for mountains located near the equator, such as Mount Chimborazo in the Andes. However, it also means that even beaches at the equator would be higher than the Himalayas in such a system of measurement. Despite its immense size, the Himalayas are surprisingly young. These mountains formed 25 million years after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Mount Everest is known as Kamalungma, Mother of the Universe, in Nepal, and Sagarmatha, Forehead of the Sky, in Tibet. Like any healthy young mountain, it is still growing, albeit at a modest rate of about 4 millimeters per year.